Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make pasta with meatballs. We'll be using the turkey meatballs that I made last time in the other video. But of course, you can always use ready-made from the store, or meatballs ready-made from the store, turkey, beef, pork, whatever you want. But we'll be using the meatballs that I made last time. So I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think of it. And let's get started.
Alright, for the ingredients, you only need some pasta, marinara sauce, some mushrooms. I love portobello mushrooms, so that's what I'm using. And then of course your meatballs, either beef, pork, turkey, whatever you like. But in this recipe, I'm using my turkey meatballs that I made last time. And these are cooked, so make sure your meatballs are already cooked. So get those frozen meatballs that are ready-made from the store, and it's gonna be super easy. Alright, let's get ready to make this. First, heat up some oil in a pot at medium-high heat. Then add about 2 to 3 of your meatballs and break them up. So what we're going to do is going to make a little bit of a meat sauce and then add in your mushrooms and start stirring it until it is nicely cooked. You'll see it starts shriveling up and getting softer and softer over time. And then while your mushrooms and meat are being cooked, I would start heating up your water and wait till boil and then add your pasta. Your pasta should be cooked in about 3 to 5 minutes, and depending on how al dente you want it. So I cooked mine for about 3 minutes because I do like it a little bit chewier, or al dente. Once you've noticed that the mushrooms have shrunk, add in your marinara sauce, your meatballs, and cover on high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, and everything should be cooked. Okay, now let's go back to your pasta. Take it out from the pot and rinse it with nice cold water. I like to add a little bit of olive oil and parsley flakes, dry of course, because I'm too lazy to go to the store, and mix it together before adding the pasta sauce. Look at that. For the finishing touches, I like to add a little bit more dry parsley flakes. I know, I love this stuff. Into your pasta sauce. And now you're done. Just scoop it up in a bowl and let's start eating.